Hi children, this is Sarath from Lord's High School. Yesterday we learned how to find the median. Today we are going to learn missing frequencies. How to find the missing frequencies when median is given. Inverse problems on finding missing frequencies when median is given. Missing frequencies. Here missing frequencies are X and Y. Median is given, very important. Median is given. What is the median? 28.5. Median is equal to 28.5. One more important point. Total is 60. The total is nothing but sum of the frequencies. The total is n is equal to 60. N is equal to sigma Fi is equal to n is equal to 60. This is the frequency distribution table. Class intervals are given and frequencies are given. We have to find cumulative frequency. This is less than type. How to find? Yesterday already we learned. Before also you know. Now CF as it is the first one we have to write 5 only. 5 plus x, 5 plus x, 5 plus x only. 5 plus x, 5 plus x, 5 plus x. 5 plus x plus 20. 5 plus x plus 20. This is nothing but 5 plus 20 plus x. This is nothing but 25 plus x. 25 plus x. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus x, not 25x. 25 plus x. Next one, 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15. This is again 25 plus 15 plus x, 40 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 plus x plus y. The answer is 40 plus x plus y only. 40 plus x plus y. 40 plus x plus y. Last one. 40 plus x plus y plus 5 is equal to 40 plus 5 plus x plus y is equal to 45 plus x plus y. 45 plus x plus y. Here I have to write 45 plus x plus y. Okay. Sum of the frequencies. What is the sum of the frequencies? Sum of the frequencies 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5. That is also we should get this only. Definitely we can copy this one, but no problem. Once again 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 is equal to first 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 plus x plus y is equal to 20 plus 5 25, 30, 40 plus 5 45, 45 plus x plus 5. So the sum of the observations n is equal to 45 plus x plus y. These two should be equal, definitely. Okay, here I got before I got n is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Here n is equal to already given 60. N is equal to 45. The sum of the frequencies is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Already it is given. The sum is 60. Now 45 plus, therefore 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. N is equal to 45 plus x plus y. N is equal to 60 is given. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. Transposing 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. X plus y is equal to 15. This is just one equation. Leave like this. X plus y, I got 15. Here n by 2 is equal to 30. N by 2 is equal to 30. Actually, yesterday, by using n by 2 is equal to 30, we have to first we have to find the median class. By using that, we have to find the median class. But 30, for 30 just greater than 30, we are getting confused. So because maybe 25 plus x depends upon x value. That's why we should not, this method is not applicable. We have to check, we have to use median is equal to 28.5 given. By using that median is equal to 28.5, we have to find the median class. We have to find the median class. So median is equal to 28.5. Median is equal to 28.5. Where is 28.5? 28.5 is lies between 20 to 30. 28.5 is lies between. 28.5 is the median that lies between 20 to 30. If you want yesterday's sum also, you check the answer. Definitely the median lies between 20 to 30. 28.5 lies between 20 to 30. Now this is the median class. Median class is nothing but median class is equal to 20 to 30. Here lower limit is equal to L. H is equal to 10. We know very well. L is equal to 20. H is equal to 10. H is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. First I will write the formula, then only you can get some idea. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now L we know, just now I said 20. N by 2 also we know, L is equal to 20. H is equal to 10. L and H completed. And N by 2 is equal to 30. N by 2 also we got. Now what is F and what is CF? We have to check. What is F and what is CF? F already like yesterday. What is the median class? 20 to 30. The corresponding frequency is nothing but F. CF is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Class preceding the median class. Median class is equal to 20-30. The preceding class of this median class is 10 to 20. 10 to 20. For that corresponding CF is 5 plus x. For that corresponding CF is 5 plus x. That is equal to CF. That is equal to CF. That is equal to CF. Once again, 20-30 is the median class. For that preceding class is 10 to 20. For the corresponding frequency is 5 plus x. Corresponding frequency is 5 plus x. That is nothing but CF. CF is equal to 5 plus x. Equal to 5 plus x. Now L is equal to 20. H is equal to 10. N by 2 is equal to 30. CF is equal to 5 plus x. F is equal to 20. F is equal to 20. Substitute those values. One more I forget. Median is equal to 28.5. That is very, very important. Median is equal to 28.5. Substitute. Median is equal to 28.5. L is equal to 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 30 minus CF 5 plus x. Very carefully we should keep brackets. Why? Because it is a binomial. Very, very important point. 5 plus x by F. F is equal to 20 into H. H is equal to 10. That implies 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus, because of this minus, the sign for 5 is plus, that is minus 5. Now it is minus 5 Now the plus x will be minus x, you know very well, by 20 into 10. That implies 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 minus x by 20 into 10, by 20 into 10. 28.5 is equal to 20 plus, let us simplify first this part, 10 table one time, 10 table two times, 25 minus x by 2, 25 minus x by 2 implies just a transpose 20 to LHS side, 28.5, this plus will be minus 20 is equal to 25 minus x by 2 as it is, right. 28.5 minus 20 is nothing but 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. That implies 25 minus x by 2 is equal to 8.5 transpose by 2. If the by 2 is coming from RHS to LHS, that is into 2, 25 minus x. So 8.5 into 2, 17. 8.5 into 2 is equal to 17 is equal to 25 minus x. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. I am writing once again. 17 is equal to 25 minus x. I can also write 25 minus x is equal to 17. 25 minus x is equal to 17. 25, this plus 17 will be transposed to minus 17. And this minus x will go to that side, plus x. That is nothing but 8. 8 is equal to x. That is nothing but x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to 8 in the equation 1. Equation 1. So the equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 15. X is equal to 8. Put x is equal to 8 in this equation. X is equal to 8. 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. Transposing from LHS to RHS, minus 8. Then y is equal to 7. Therefore, finally, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. These two are unknown frequencies. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. This is the answer. Okay, one more sum. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y if the median for the following data is 31. Find the values of x and y if the median for the following data is 31. They are very, very important. Here also again unknown frequencies. X and y, we have to find the unknown frequencies. A total is given, the total is 40. The sum of the frequencies is 40 and median is 31 and the x is equal to and y is equal to question mark. We'll find the solution. Classes and frequencies. Classes are there, frequencies given, frequencies are given, and we have to find less than CF, less than cumulative frequency distribution table, less than CF. First, as it is 5 plus x, 5 plus x, 5 plus x. Next, 5 plus x plus 6, 5 plus x plus 6. That is nothing but 5 plus 6 plus x is equal to 11 plus x, not 11x. Don't confuse. 11 plus x. Next step, 11 plus x plus y. 11 plus x plus y is equal to 11 plus x plus y only. You write as it is. 11 plus x plus y. Next step, 11 plus x plus y, 11 plus x plus y plus 6 is equal to 11 plus 6 plus x plus y is equal to 17 plus x plus y. 17 plus x plus y. Here I have to write 17 plus x plus y. Next, 17 plus x plus y, 17 plus x plus y plus 5 is equal to 17 plus 5 plus x plus y is equal to 22 plus x plus y. Here 22 plus x plus y, definitely here also 22 plus x plus 5. If you want, once again you add 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 11, 22, 22 plus x plus y. Again I got n is equal to 22 plus x plus y. N is equal to 40, n by 2 is equal to 20. N by 2 is equal to 20. Now, given median is equal to 31. By using this median, we can find median class. Median is equal to 31. So, 31 lies between 30 and 40. 31 lies between 30 and 40. That's why this is the median class. Median class is nothing but 30 to 40. Why? Because median is 31. Median is 31. Now automatically this is the median class frequency only is nothing but f. That frequency only have to take in the formula. Now, so f is equal to y. Frequency of the median class is equal to y. Now, I am writing the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f minus cf by f into h. Median formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. Already median is given. L value you know, why? Because the median class is 30 to 40, 30 to 40, L is equal to 30, L is equal to 30, H is equal to 10, H is equal to 10, H is equal to 10. Already n by 2 value we know, L we know, and F is equal to Y, just now I said, H is equal to 10. L is equal to 30, n by 2 is equal to 20, F is equal to Y, H is equal to 10, but what about CF? Let us discuss. CF is equal to, you know very well, what is the median class? 30, 40. What is the pre-median class? 20, 30. What is the CF of pre-median class 20, 30? 11 plus x, 11 plus x, 11 plus x, that is CF, that is CF. Now CF is equal to 11 plus x, 11 plus x. Let us substitute. Now median is equal to, already median is also there, median is equal to 31, median 31, L value 30 plus n by 2, n by 2 is equal to 20 minus CF is equal to 11 plus x, 11 plus x. Dear students, don't write like this, better you keep brackets. The brackets are very, very important, otherwise you'll get wrong answer. By F, F is equal to Y, F is equal to Y, H is equal to 10, H is equal to 10. That implies 31 is equal to 30 plus 20. The sign for 11 is plus, because of this minus, this plus will be minus, minus 11. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus, minus x, by y into 10 into 10. That implies 31 is equal to 30 plus 31 is equal to 30 plus 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. 9 minus x by y into 10. By y into 10. 31 is equal to 30 plus, you can multiply 9 minus x into 10. 9 minus x into 10 by y, numerator into numerator. That implies 31 is equal to 30 plus distributive property 9 into 10 90 minus x into 10 10x, x into 10 10x by y. 90 minus 10x by y is equal to 31 minus 30. This plus 30 will be transposing from RHS to LHS. It will be minus 30. 90 minus 10x by y. That implies 1 is equal to 90 minus 10x by y. Now, here by y will transpose from RHS to LHS into y. That's why 1 into y is equal to 90 minus 10x. That implies y is equal to 90 minus 10x. 90 minus 10x. That is nothing but y plus y plus minus 10x plus 10x. Y plus 10x is equal to 90. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. Actually 1. The sum of the frequencies is 22 plus x plus 5. And also n is equal to 40, it is given. Therefore, from these two, 22 plus x plus y is equal to 40. That implies x plus y is equal to 40 minus 22. Why? Because if it is transposing from LHS to RHS, that plus 22 will be minus 22. That implies x plus y is equal to 18. This is equation 2. The first equation, y plus 10x is equal to 90. I have written 10x plus y is equal to 90, no problem. Second equation, x plus y is equal to 18. Now, equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Actually, this method is called as elimination method. We have to go for subtraction. The quotient of x is 1. The quotient of x is 1. The symbol for the sign of x is 1x is plus. This sign of 18 is plus. Now subtraction, this is vertical subtraction. So minus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus. First, plus y, minus y, 0. Cancel. 10x minus 1x is equal to 9x. 10x minus 1x is equal to 9x. Is equal to 90 minus 18 is equal to 72. 19 minus 18 is equal to 72. That is nothing but 9 into x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by into 9. Transposing from LHS to RHS by 9. X is equal to 8. I got x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Now, substitute, put x is equal to 8 in any equation. I am substituting second equation, equation 2. Equation 2 is x plus y is equal to 18. X 8 plus y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 18 minus 8. Transposing 18 minus 8. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Finally, x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10 are the unknown frequencies. Children, we practiced two sums. Now, all of you do this assignment. From the textbook VK Sony, page number 14.51, test your knowledge 14.6, 236, the question numbers 236, solve those sums and send to your class teacher, and also practice 1, 4, 5 from the same exercise.